Stop paying for AI video generators because in this video, I'm going to show you how I unlocked Grok AI video, tested it live, and used it to create cinematic AI videos with consistent characters, step by step. And I'm not just going to talk about it, I'll prove everything right here on the screen. Right now, this account is on the free version. I can't switch from 480p to 720p. I can't change the video duration from 6 seconds to 10 seconds. And when I try to animate an image, Grok blocks me completely. But in a few minutes, you'll see this same account generating AI videos, animating images, extending scenes, and creating a cinematic chase sequence using Grok, Flow, and Nano Banana. I'll also show you how I take the last frame from one video, upscale it, bring it back into Grok, and continue the scene so it doesn't look like random AI clips. It actually feels like one connected movie. So before we start, hit the like button if you want more free AI video workflows like this, and subscribe to Big Wiz Media because I'm about to drop more tutorials on Grok Agent Mode, cinematic AI filmmaking, and tools that can help you create videos faster without wasting money. Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome! Before we proceed, let me prove to you that my account is currently on the free version and is highly limited. I can't even generate videos with this particular tool yet. First of all, when I try to change the resolution from 480p to 720p, you'll realize a prompt pops up. The same thing happens if I try to change the duration from 6 seconds to 10 seconds. When I try to generate a video, let me upload an image right here, if I try to animate this particular image, I get the same story. So this proves that my account is actually on the free plan, and I can't generate videos with Grok AI for now. Now let's go ahead and show you how to actually get Grok working. Right after that, I will show you how to create cinematic videos with consistent characters right here in this video. First, click on your user profile icon here, and then click on Upgrade Plan. As you can see, I am being offered Super Grok, not the normal Grok that we are all used to. This is the Super Grok, which is $30 per month. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to claim this offer using this account. Just so you know, this offer is only for 3 days. However, later in this video, I will reveal the secret on how I maneuvered this trick to keep using Grok for free with unlimited access without actually paying. So I'll go ahead and click on Claim Offer right here. All right, so I'll go ahead and set up payment without a link. I can input a card, Google Pay, Cash App, or even a bank account. Any of these will work here, but I'll go ahead and input my card. I am going to pause the video from this side to enter my card details because it's very sensitive information to put out there. Once I input my card, I click on Start Trial. Now that I've started the trial, the next step is to verify this page. Let me see, I think it should be here. Okay, I'll verify it. Once your credit card goes through, you will realize that your account has been unlocked. Now you're getting unlimited intelligence, maximum creativity, and real-time information. Let's go ahead and click on Start Enjoying Super Grok. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. Now, if I try to change the resolution from 480p to 720p, you'll realize that it is now working. If I change it from 6 seconds to 10 seconds, it is working too. Now, let me try and add the image that we used earlier. I'll hit Animate right here and click on Send. Voila! Now it is working perfectly. All right, guys, so you see, it worked. Our image has been animated successfully using Super Grok. Look at the motion. Look at the faces. Bro, this is amazing. So now that we have access to this, we are going to create a video. Basically, I saw this particular video right here, and I want to continue this specific scene, where the sheriff is chasing bad guys through the bush, like in a maze field. How am I going to achieve this? First of all, I got the last frame of this video. I took this last frame and asked Google Flow to upscale it for me, which it did. So this is the outcome, which I have downloaded onto my computer. What I have to do now is come back here and upload that particular image. Here it is. I'll upload it and input my prompt right here. I actually created this prompt to continue the scene exactly from where it ended. Of course, I will select the duration and the resolution that I want, and I'll click on Send. Let's preview it and see how it turned out.
Stop right there!
Grok has a feature where you can actually extend this particular video if you want to, or you can reimagine it. But let me bring it to the end of this part and I will save this particular frame, just like I did previously. I'll come back to Flow right here, and of course, I'll upload that scene that I just saved. I'll ask Nano Banana to upscale it for me so that I have a better outcome. I'm using Nano Banana 2. Wait, let me exit. I'll upload the image once more and ask Flow to upscale it for me. But before you do that, you can choose to generate multiple outcomes. Let me go for 4 so that I have 4 different images to select from to get the best version, and then I'll click on Send. Flow actually upscaled the last frame that I just saved. As you can see, the image we uploaded has been scaled successfully. You can go through them and find the one you prefer. I think I'll select the first one right here, and I'll download it. First, I'll upscale it to 2K to have crisp quality. Now that it's downloaded, I'll come back to Grok, and I'll go ahead and upload the image. Here it is. I'll input my next prompt right here. I will leave everything else as it is and click on Send. Our video will be generating. Let's give it a moment and see how it turns out. All right, the generation is done, but it seems the AI is a bit confused. Look at it.
Stop right there!
You can also use the Extend feature to extend it or reimagine it. Let's try the Extend feature and see if it works or not. I will leave everything as it is and hit Send. Let's see how it takes things into its own hands. All right, guys, the video has been extended from 6 seconds to 16 seconds.
There!
But watching it is kind of funny to me because the AI is extremely confused. But this is just to show you that you can still access Super Grok to generate unlimited AI videos. In my next tutorial, where I will go in-depth into how to create cinematic videos with Grok AI, I will definitely talk about a new feature that Grok AI has right now, which is the Agent mode. It's currently in beta. This is how the Agent mode looks. It is more or less like a canvas where you can let the AI work on your behalf. You essentially chat with the AI. I'm not going to do that in this particular video, so if you don't want to miss that Agent mode video, make sure to like the video you are watching right now, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that when I upload that tutorial, you won't miss it. During the beginning of this video, I told you I would show you how to keep creating videos with Super Grok even after your 3-day trial expires. This is how I normally do it. You see, this is one of my accounts right here, and this is a different account right here. When the first one expires, I create another account and repeat the exact same process I just taught you in this video. When the 3 days expire and you don't want to pay, the secret is to make sure the card you are using is a virtual card that has no funds on it. Otherwise, you will be charged. You can just create a new virtual card with your bank to use. When the trial expires, they will try to charge your account for some time. It will take more than 10 to 15 days before they will even cancel it for you. So even though it says it's a free 3-day trial, they will still be trying to charge your account for more than 10 days, and you will still have full access to Super Grok. When your account is eventually canceled, you just switch to a different account and start the same process all over again. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.